This is a nice looking little humidifier fountain. Turn it on right here and you see it. Whoops, I think my battery just ran out. Okay, I'm just using, it comes with a charge block, but I'm just using a temporary battery here for showing it. And I'm gonna put it into a different charger here and a different battery. Apparently that will, one that actually has low power in it would be useful. Let's see here. There we go. Whoops, now I lost my light on. There's that light back. And this should be okay now. Now, you'll notice the strobing occurring on my camera here. I can't do anything about that because the way this thing is designed to show it as though there are drips. I mean, as though there are little droplets in there. And that's, of course, done by having a standard stream of water. And then the stroboscopic light effect here shows the little single droplets. But, you know, the stroboscope also affects my camera, so it slows things down and makes it weird looking here in the video. Anyway, suffice to say, it's a very nice humidifier. It makes a lot of humidity. I mean, a lot of humidifier steam here. It's very quiet, runs very quietly, and it's very effective. A couple of things about it. It does not come with a remote control, which some of them do. And it doesn't have, it only has the effects, I mean, it only has 3 buttons. You either turn it on with, so it's on with the little drips, or on with a standard stream, or off, and that's it. So what it does well. There you go. Cheers.